What is up, you guys? It is your girl ARIE. Welcome back to my channel, featuring my niece again. All my videos have my niece in it. But you coming in? This company is called Asteriahair. When you open the box, you will get the hair, of course. Oh, this packaging is cold. You'll get a band, and then you will get a bag. Oh, I love these bags because when it's time to put my wigs away, I have them all in bags like this, and I can stuff like about 10 wigs in here, y'all. I'll be stuffing them in. Show y'all in my wig video soon how much wigs fit in one bag. But
what you doing?
This wig is 20 inches, y'all. All my lengths lately been 20 and 22. I don't do no more 18, 16, and all of them. Oh, this hair is soft. It looks longer than 20. Oh, this hair is soft. This hair is soft. Alright, so what's different about this wig is that this is a 6x6 closure. And oh, it looks like it comes with the it looks like it comes with baby hairs already. Y'all see that? Like they styled it already and sent it to your girl. But this is a 6x6 closure. I can't wait to try this because you guys know I'm not really a closure fan. I like having more space to work with. I feel like this is enough space for me to work with. It's good. Yeah, it's enough space for me to work with. I didn't bleach this hair yet, but oh yeah, it's way more space for me to work with. Yeah, this is way better than the closure. I didn't bleach this hair yet, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to pluck a 6x6 closure and make this joint look like a frontal baby. You feel me? This is my first time plucking a 6x6. It's going to be easy, of course. But when you look in the wig, you have 1, 2, 3 combs. You have an adjustable band and the weft, of course, because this is not a full lace wig. If a company want to send me a full lace wig, I mean, just get my email down below. I want a full lace wig so bad. But okay, enough talking. This hair is good. 20 inches, like I said, it's real thick. I feel like this is longer than 20. No, it's just about 20. But I'm gonna go ahead and start the plucking process. Will I see you guys in the end? I don't know, but if not, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. On the road to 35K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
I pack in the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stimulus and guns, I tell him slap for none.